2.9.6 wants us to state or remember that the light energy, where's the light energy come from? From the sun, is used to produce ATP, important, break water, important, and then it forms oxygen and hydrogen. And we're going to talk about what happens with this hydrogen. So let's write this equation again. Carbon dioxide plus H2O makes sugar in the form of glucose plus oxygen. So here comes our sunlight. And like, what does the sunlight do? Like, what's its role? And its role is to break this in half. So we actually have a term for this. So the sun comes in, it's going to break our water in half. So when you break water, we always use this word lysis for the word break. And since the sun or the light is doing it, we use the prefix photo. So photolysis means light is breaking. And when we break this, one of the things that comes off this is our oxygen. So that's like, bye-bye. O2 leaves our leaf. And this hydrogen actually is going to be used later. The lights went. The hydrogen is going to be used later to generate ATP. So that's what this is. So the hydrogen is going to be used to make ATP. So that's pretty much all they want you to know. So one of the products of photosynthesis that we didn't really talk about is that there's this ATP part in it as well. So that's it for this process. Let's go to the next one, which asks you to talk a little bit more detail about it. Perhaps it's still just another state. Now, let me just erase this whole thing because I made a mess here. So this assessment statement says, state that the ATP that we just made, right? I just drew it. That ATP is going to be used as our source of energy to make that organic molecule. So let's write the equation again. So carbon dioxide plus water is going to make our sugar, our glucose, plus oxygen. So we just said that this oxygen is going to disappear. This hydrogen is going to be coming down here to make ATP. ATP is going to provide the energy to take the carbon dioxide, CO2, add some H's to it, and that ATP is going to provide that energy to connect these molecules together to eventually make the ingredients, or put the ingredients together, to make glucose, right? That's the chemical formula for glucose. So that's what that's saying. The ATP and hydrogen, our ATP and our hydrogen that we broke off here, maybe we should draw our hydrogen down here also, is going to be used to fix means to connect, carbon dioxide to make our organic molecules, specifically glucose.